Ay, ang init. So, hindi ko na tinurn on yung ano ko, light kasi masakit sa mata. So, I'm just recording this video para may idea kayo kung ano yung demo lesson ng Native Cam. So, eto yon. The lesson is provided including the scripts. Babasahin mo na lang. But you need to make sure that you're able to read it accordingly and you need to wait for the response of the student or the admin. So yung student dito sa demo lesson is an admin. Okay, so ito yung actual na demo lesson script or materials. So this is how it goes. You're gonna read the script na nakabulol-bulol na. Saan? Hello, welcome to Native Camp. I'm teacher. You're going to say your name, Rosemary. You're gonna type your name in the chat box, Rosemary. Tak. Oh, multitasking ka dyan. And then, after sending it, you'll say, may I know your name? Ay, habang sinasabi ni admin yung pangalan yan, you have to type it and then send it to the chat box. Kasi, kailangan nilang makita na ginagamit mo talaga yung chat box. Mm-mm. So, ayun. Then, after getting the name of your admin or the student, you need to proceed. You read the script. So, all right. Kevin, for example, Kevin yung pangalan ng estudyante or admin. It's nice to meet you. Now, intayin mo yung mag-reply siya ng nice to meet you din. Hindi yung tuloy-tuloy yung pagbasa mo. Ayan. Tapos niya, sabihin mo, before we begin, I have a few questions for you. So first, can you see or hear me clearly? Ganun. So if the student will say or the admin will say yes, proceed. Is my speaking speed okay with you or do I need to slow down? Ayan. Pag sabi niya na okay, ay okay, okay yung pag speaking speed mo, ayan. Continue ka na sa script reading. Say, great, perfect. Let's get started with the lesson. So the title is Advancing Flavor Science Smart Tank. Mm. Now let's have words and phrases. Let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. Let's have the first word. Please repeat after me once. So ito yung first word. Asa na yun? Or this one, si multiple. Alright. So say multiple. Alright. Pagkatapos na yan, you're going to read the sentence, the sample. Now let's read the sample sentence and repeat after me once. We made multiple copies of the report. Now you proceed. Great. Do you have any questions? Now dito, sabi ng iba, hindi mo na daw dapat itanong to kasi para walang questions. But as for me, no. You should include this one because the student or the admin might have question just to check how you teach or how you answer, right? So for example, kasi admin sila, gusto nilang malaman, gusto ka nilang pahirapan sa ganun, 'di ba? Kung nasa presence of mind ka. So sabi ng admin, what is report? Patay tayo dyan. So how you answer is that you have to tell to the student or to the admin that if it is an adjective or a verb or what kind of word and then the meaning. So for example, tatanong si student or si admin. All right, I don't understand what report is. What is that? They just simply report in this sentence acts as a noun. So a report, it can be spoken or are a written account of information or simply means a document that contains a data. Mga ganun. Simple make it simple. Kung makapagsabi, kala mo naman talaga ay na-hard na sa native cam. Pero that's how it is. No? So, ganyan. Okay. So, after telling the meaning of the report, then you proceed. I mean, you're gonna ask the admin or the student, are we good? Is everything good? Para makapag-continue na kayo sa next script nyo. So, ganun. So, you're going to read the next script. Okay, let's move on to the next part, comprehension. Please look at the listening focus and read the directions. Ang ingay ng mga chicken ko. So, ayan. Now, let's check the questions that you will have to answer later. Please look at the questions as I read it twice. So, number one, so dalawang beses nyo siya babasahin. Number one, yung slow mo. What did a research team develop? Eh, yung pangalawa, yung normal na speed. So, what did a research team develop? Ganun. Now, proceed to this script. Now, let's listen to the audio. It starts now. So, pindutin mo lang tong audio hanggang sa matapos. Parang gusto ng chicken maglaklase dito. All right. Now, after listening, you're gonna read the script again. Well done. This time, let's proceed to answer the questions. I'll read the question and please say your answer out loud. Let's start with number one. Nakakairita yung pag-pronounce ko ngayon. No? Nabubulol ako. Ganyan siguro pag hindi ka talaga native speaker ng English. So, ayun. So great. Now let's move on to the next activity. Hindi pa pala. So ayan, tatanungin mo siya noon, 'di ba? Start with number one. 'Di ba? Tinatanong mo siya. Read the question with your answer. So ayan, what did a research team develop? So ayan, mag-answer yun si admin. So habang nag-answer si admin, ita-type mo daw yung answer niya. You have to type it in the chat box. Ang purpose kasi para makita ni student or ni admin na may ginawa ka. Charot. Hindi, na para ma-check mo kung may mali sa kanyang sentence. And then, para makorek mo and maipasa mo sa chat box. Para makita talaga ni students na may ginawa ka talaga. Hindi mo siya niloloko. Good job ka dyan. Mali pala. O, gayan. So now, so babasahin mo na tong last part. Great. Now, let's move on to the next activity. Discussion. Please look at the directions. Now, please answer the question freely or by using the situation given. I'll read the question. Then you can answer freely or open the answer key to have a better idea of how to answer. Let's start with number one. Do you think that an artificial tongue can mimic a human one? Why or why not? So definitely, the student here or the admin can open the answer key. But since yung target natin dito is si admin, malangmang magpamali-mali para talaga makita niya kung na-spot mo talaga yung errors niya and para makorek. So again, you need to write the answer of your admin or student to your chat box para makita mo if may mali or wala para makorek mo. So in that way also, you're able to maximize the chat box. So hanggang doon lang, I think so. And hanggang doon lang yung demolition. Hindi na wala na yung feedback. Mm-mm. Tapos, feeling ko i-judge ka na sa admin kung papasa ka sa next stage or hindi. So as for me, by the way, I already tried the demo lesson once. But ako hindi ako masyadong nag-study. Nag-follow lang talaga ako sa script. Dahil hindi ko alam. So ayun, after going through the demo lesson, The admin said that this is what you can do, blah 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 blah, and then go back to me once you are ready. And unfortunately, parang nag 1 month na ako, hindi pa ako nakabalik nag-demo lesson kasi busy ako sa other platform for application. Oo. Kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng ano yung kahit kahit um medyo mababa yung rate, basta may student lang, yung consistent yung booking, ganun. Pero until now, hindi pa rin ako nakatanggap ng reply sa mga ina-applyan ko. But hopefully, no, pag wala na talagang choice, ay magdidemo na talaga ako ng tuluyan dito, no? Mm. Sana matanggap tayo. So that's the end of our video. And by the way, yung student dito is Japanese and mix yung learner nila. They have kids and adult as well. Ang nakaganda lang dito sa ano native camp as per research is that very flexible yung time nila, as in walang mag-micromanage sa'yo, ang ganun. Tapos no minimum hours, magturo ka lang kung kailan mo gusto, ganun. No pressure, di ba? So I hope nakatulong itong video na to sa mga gustong mag-apply ng native camp, and balitaan nyo ako kung nakapasa kayo. Bye-bye!